Listen.
Hi guys, it's Sky. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be reacting to a EXO concert clip. This was recommended to me. I really just started getting into EXO, and I was getting a lot of recommendations for this video specifically. This is White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. 4 songs in one video. I don't know what to expect. Y'all just told me to watch it. Y'all recommended these songs. So I did react to an EXO guide, some live stages, and some albums over on my Patreon. So if you guys want to see more of me, I am over there as well. The thumbnail was Kai, and it looks a little freaky. So we're gonna see what this is about. We're gonna see. Also, since I'm still getting into EXO, I'm not sure if I'm going to remember everybody's name. So just bear with me. Bear with me. I'm still fairly new. Still fairly new. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Oh. Baekhyun with the crazy eye contact just then. Oh, he looking into my soul. Wait a minute. Okay. Wow. I don't like how Kai looking at me like that with the rain coming down. What's going on with the water? Nobody told me we was getting wet. Nobody informed me. I've never seen this done at a concert too. I mean, I haven't watched a lot of K-pop concerts, but I've never seen like water coming down like this. Like maybe water on the floor, but water coming down? Oh no, I don't like the way he just looked at me. What the world? Y'all see me fidgeting with my necklace? I like this song though, but I'm trying to focus on the song. Okay, his name is oh my god, I forgot his name. Is that Chanya? I don't know if I'm saying his name right, but I cannot help but notice, like, since the beginning of the video, he really seems like he's having like such a good time. Like, I don't know, like his smile and like the way that he's like carrying himself. Like, look at him. He having fun. I mean, come on. Come on. You better sing. Wow. See, look at him. He having fun. No, cause look, y'all. Here's the thing. I already know how Kai get, cause I feel like I know Kai the most. Like I'm more familiar with Kai. I already know how he get. I'm gonna need him to stop. I'm gonna need him to chill out. 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 I'm gonna need you to stop all of that. I'm gonna need him to stop. So this is Thunder. I'm ready for Playboy, cause what type of song title is? Cute.
너무 멀리 가버렸나 봐. 시간이 갈수록 너와 나 멀어져. 이미 넌 저 멀리 있어. 또 누군가에 빛이 되어 있겠지. 불꽃처럼 아주 발랐다.
Hey.
우린 너무나 달랐다.
Hey. I like this song too.
시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다. 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다. 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어. 지금 하나 둘 줄이 세면 우리 거를 잰다. Playboy.
Should I mentally prepare myself or what?
Playboy.
What does that mean? What? What that mean? What that mean? What that mean? Wait, have I heard this before? Why he pointing? Hey! 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 Hey, hold on, wait, but I like this duo work right here, this duo choreo part. I like this. Why am I scared?
자신 넘쳐나 이렇게 매일 신선한 외로움을 달랬나
me though. Sorry, that was probably the most ugliest face ever. We got K's? Okay. Okay. Of course they got Lay in the middle. Ow! Ow! What was that? What was that? Who was that? I can't even tell. Was that Lay or who was that? Chin? Is that how you say his name? Chin? Is that him? What is going on? What in the Freakville? Ooh, this the up view. Can we get? Oh. Get him off that cane now. Get him off that cane now. What is this shot right here in my face? Look at him. Get him. Get him off that cane. Oh my God. I've heard this too, I think. Actually, who choreographed this? Okay. Okay, Chess. Okay, I like that little shoulder shimmy. I like that. Hey. No! Get up! Actually, no. Actually, no. Oh my God! Who choreographed this? I'm trying to appreciate vocals and whatnot, but and Hey. What do y'all have me watching? I need to have a talk with y'all. I need to have a talk with y'all, seriously. Y'all knew what y'all was doing when y'all was recommending this to me. Y'all knew what y'all was doing. I don't really have too much to say. Let me try to think of something. Let me try to think. Let me try to think of something. I have not seen any EXO concerts. This would be my first like EXO concert video, I'm pretty sure. And I like how they're staying professional but also having fun at the same time. Like I mentioned before, never seen water get dropped down like that at a concert before. Um, Vocals amazing. Um, Dancing crazy, choreo crazy. If y'all have any more recommendations that you would like me to watch from EXO, please let me know. I am all ears. I enjoyed watching this. That'll be all for me, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.